How to check internet download and upload speeds in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. This may vary depending on the time of day, and the amount of PCs using your network currently. And as you know probably, in the evenings when more people use your provider's internet connection, your speed gets lower. So keep that in mind when doing these tests. What you want to do, though, to check your speed is open up any browser you got, and then search for test internet speed. There you go. You may get an internet speed test from Google itself, which is a box above the first result, which says run speed test with a blue button in the bottom right of the box. You can use that, which is, in my opinion, the best test. If that doesn't come up, like it doesn't for me, you can use the speedtest.net by Ookla. Consent, and now click go. It's now connecting. There you go. What you want to see is probably above 40 megabytes per second up and down in the best case. My internet connection isn't too great at the moment, so I'm only getting 93 down and roughly 37, 38 up, which actually should be quite a bit more. But if you have these numbers, you're good to go. These are very stable, good numbers to have. That's how to check internet download and upload speeds in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.